And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Okay, deep breath. Got a little too excited about Punxsutawney Phil tomorrow, but can't wait for Groundhog Day. And why I get excited about Groundhog Day is because a marmot gets to do the job of what all the meteorologists get to do. And people really think the marmot knows what it is he's doing. And there's a whole bunch of groundhogs across the U.S. that will be making accurate forecasts tomorrow. We're going to try to be accurate here right now. A lot of clouds in Providence. Temperature not bad, though. If you go outside and you're like, 31's cold, and I get it, but like compared to what we've had since the blizzard, it's been single digits each and every night. So some 20s and 30s at 11:16 p.m. is nice. And you know the temperatures aren't going to move too much with a lot of cloud cover. So therefore, when you wake up tomorrow, a nice head start, mid to upper 20s, maybe even a few low 30s at the coast. And then you get up to around 40 degrees tomorrow. I think there'll be more 40s than 30s. A lot of cloud cover, though, not a lot of sunshine. But at least it's a little warmer, melt some snow. And then temperatures even warmer for Thursday. Look at this temperature graphic. It's all over the place. You got some temperatures in the south that are like in the 50s and 60s right now. But obviously you see this like frigid air pouring into northern portions of the U.S. There's obviously a frontal boundary here. So the way this plays out is tomorrow 40, push 50 Thursday, and then the frigid stuff comes back on Friday. And what happens is while we transition from all these different temperatures, what will happen is we'll continue to see precipitation in the form of some rain, some sleet, some freezing rain and snow. And this frontal boundary comes east and triggers all of that. So mild temperatures in place, cold north and west, and you can see what's already happening. Rain kind of switching over to a little snow in portions of Peoria, Illinois. And as this front moves closer, it squeezes out milder air. So how do different precipitations form? This is going to be a big part of the forecast for the end of the week. But if you have mild air from top to bottom, you're above freezing, right? In this red zone here, you're going to have rain. That's a slam dunk. But if you get a little bit in the way of some colder air and it's below freezing and you push that warmer air up in the upper atmosphere and you get enough cold at the surface, you get what we call a little freezing rain. Dangerous situation, very dangerous. You can push that a little bit more north and you get more cold air and you get a little sleet. If you're going to have either one of these, you want sleet. It's better than freezing rain, less slippery. And then you can go ahead and get all snow if the column is completely cold. What we're going to have is a combination of all of it. So we're going to start off on the warm side of it, all the way to the left. On the graphic I just showed you, above freezing, rain Thursday afternoon, rain Thursday night. But then the colder air comes in. By the time we get to about mid-morning, areas north of Providence will switch over. That will continue into the afternoon, moving south, and then eventually end to some snow. But that stretch where it's a little bit of sleet and freezing rain, likely more sleet than freezing rain, some slick spots are expected Friday afternoon. Precipitation moves out very, very early Saturday morning. I'm going to go mostly sunny for the weekend. So very icy conditions Friday afternoon, Friday night, give way to a dry weekend. And then I changed it to a few flurries for Monday, dry on Tuesday. Ian.
A day we've been